Greetings. This is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually convert this PowerPoint presentation here into Google Slides. So you want to do the presentation, but you want it into Google Slides instead of PowerPoint here. Alright, I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process, or you can actually get it inside that particular here. Alright, so the first thing that you want it to do, you can actually bring up the internet browser here. They're going to sign in. So when you sign in, you're going to put in the password here. So as soon as you put in the password, then you're going to press next. Alright, then you press next. This is exactly what will take in place. Then you're going to come right here to the 9 dots. Then you're going to click on the drive. Alright, when you click on the drive, you're actually in the drive. Alright, in the drive definitely. You notice this is a PowerPoint. Alright, so this is not Google Slides. So we're going to click right here, the settings right here. And notice what this is, settings. Just get backup and sync for Windows. On keyboard, you're going to click on settings. Alright, and when you click on settings, if you notice right, it says storage, upload, convert, upload, language, online, density, comfortable. If you notice where it's a general notification. Alright, and if you notice here, you tell about the storage. You can actually view. Alright, so if I want to convert it to online, you have to do is just click check this box. So if you upload the PowerPoint presentation to just convert it along as this itself, you stick, and then when you finish, you come right here. Then the next step you want to do is to come to your left and click on the word new. So you're going to upload that particular presentation. Alright, when you click, this is the presentation that you want to upload. Alright, if you notice the signal right here, show that it's a Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to come all the way to the right. I'm going to click on the word open. If you notice right here on the screen, so uploading one item. Alright, and notice it says one upload complete. But if you notice, you haven't seen it here, so what you have to do is to come to your left and look for the word recent and click on it. Right, and there you go. This is it. You notice the signal here? This itself is Google Slide. So that's how you actually convert that in Google Slide. So if you have learned something from that video, remember to share it with your friends.